Hello students. So today we are going to learn how we can make the sprite jump and glide. Fine. So first of all, let us take any backdrop from here. Fine. So I am choosing this slopes, this background, and then I don't want this sprite, so I am just deleting it, and then let us choose some other sprite. Oh no, I don't want this. Again, choose a sprite and just I want to choose any vehicle. Fine. So here food truck is there, so I am just tapping on it and just placing it this side, but you can see the size is too big. So how we can change the size? In my previous video I have told you now. So here also you can see the size is written and front end of that size 100 is written. So just tap on it. When you will tap, you will see the cursor over there, and just with the help of backspace key delete it. It was 100, so now to decrease the size we can write 50 here. Fine. And just tap outside, so we can see the size is small now. So I am just placing it. Now we want to glide this sprite from this place to another place. So what we are going to do, like suppose if we want to make any of the object or sprite slide, first we need to place it from the starting position. So this is the starting position. And one more thing I want to add here, see, our screen is divided into x and y coordinates. Fine. The x coordinate is like the horizontal part of the screen, and the y coordinate is like vertical part of the screen. Fine. So from here, from the motion block, we should take this block, go to x and y. Fine. And then go to x and y coordinate is given, which means it is indicating this place where our truck will start moving. So now wherever you want to make it glide, just place that sprite over there and then choose this glide 1 second to x and y coordinate. Fine. Now if I tap on it, you can see the object is gliding. This is how we can make any of the object glide. Now I am just clicking on the events block and then taking this. When green flag clicked, okay, so when green flag will click, we can see our sprite is gliding from one place to another. Let me show you one more example of this. From here I am taking one more sprite, this butterfly. Fine. So the butterfly, let us place it here, and from here again the same thing, motion. After going into the motion menu, we just take go to x and y. Fine. Now we want our sprite to move like this. Okay, so after moving to that position where we want, just take this glide 1. Now we want that this butterfly will come closer to sun, so just place the butterfly first and then choose this glide 1 second to x and y, and then again a little bit forward, then again glide, and then just turn down, and then again glide 1 and just turn down, then glide 1, and then it sat on the truck like this. Fine. So let us see how it works. So I am just taking the events, and from the events block I am taking this when green flag clicked. So let us see, when the green flag is clicked, both the like sprites are moving. Again I am showing both the sprites are moving. Fine. So this is how we can make any of the sprite move or glide, we can say. Fine. Now let us see how we can make any sprite jump upward and downward. So let us choose any sprite from here. So I am going to choose this dog 2. Okay, so this dog 2 I am placing here. Fine. And after placing, let us decrease the size. Instead of 100 I am going to change it into 50. and then click outside, you can see the change. Okay, now we want to make jump this dog. So click on the motion, and as I have told you few minutes back that our stage is divided into two coordinates, x and y. Now if you want to make your sprite jump upward and downward, in this case, see, upward and downward means vertically. Fine, so we will take the change y by 10, this block where we need to change the y position by 10. So see, if I tap on this, can you see the change? Our dog, our sprite is moving upward. But if I, like, one more same block I am taking, and instead of 10 I am just doing it minus and then 10. Let us see the result. If I click here, so you can see that dog is moving down, which means we are changing the position of y upward and downward. Fine, and again we need to tap if we want our dog to go higher, or for downward also we need to tap so many times. So instead of tapping so many times, why don't we take the repeat block? Okay, from the control block we'll get the repeat block. So just place it, one more repeat block we will take, just place it and then join these two blocks. Fine, if we click on this, you can see the dog is jumping and coming downward, upward and downward. So what else we can do in this? By going into the events, just choose this block when spacebar key is pressed. So what will happen when you will press the spacebar key? Your dog will jump. And one more thing I want to add here, like if you want to make your sprite go forward and backward in the same sense, so in that case what we can do, by clicking on the motion we can take this change xy 10. If we click on this, your sprite will move horizontally. Again I am taking the change x by 10 and I am changing it into minus 10. Fine, if I click on this, you can see, and again the same thing we are going to do. While going into the control, we are taking this repeat block. While going into the control, again we are taking this repeat block. Fine, so see, your dog will move forward and backward like this. And to move this, we can take, like going into the events, we can take the same block, but instead of spacebar, now we can take the right arrow. Okay, up arrow also you can take, that is up to you. Like by clicking here, you can see your dog is moving forward backward. By clicking here, you can see your dog is moving upward and downward. And if we click on the green flag, you can see our objects are gliding. So this is how we can make any sprite jump and glide. Fine, so this is for today's students. Fine, hope you all will understand the concepts. So have a nice day everyone. Bye.